Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Bitcoin has today broken below 34k, made a new low, and Solana has made a new low as well, and actually dropped quite significantly in the last 24 hours. $84 currently, 85. That might also be related, or at least the strength of that sell-off might be related to those news that were in the media about the Solana blockchain having some difficulties with I think smooth transactions. I don't know too much about it at the moment, haven't really looked it up, but yeah, I think that could be related, but it's nothing that we didn't expect. As you know, we talked about here this target area. I reduced it down now because there's no reason to leave it up like that. We've obviously come below the 0.5 fib level, below 130, and even 130 seemed ridiculous when we were up here and we talked about a $130 Solana. It's always a question of perspective, isn't it? And now we're in here, we're already below the $100, which was actually the level that I pretty much definitely expected. Now we've even come below, and we're moving further towards the lowest support level here of my target area, around $56. So the 0.786 fib level at $56. I think definitely within reach now, and I would expect it to be hit. So two things I want to show you on the chart is, one is that we actually have a channel here on the chart, so that's worth mentioning, because we could be moving within this channel. Maybe there might be another move up and a move down, or at least we will find support on this descending trend line. So we might not even reach here the resistance of that channel. We might just move up a little bit, maybe retest $100 before we then touch here the $56 around the 6th of February. It's just a guess obviously at the moment, but it could be, it just guides us where and when we could see possibly that price reach this level. Might need to adjust that here slightly more like that, yeah, and that might then be around the 10th of February. But that's just a guess when that could happen. Yeah, with that arrow obviously pointing towards the downside, we can see that further sell-off is expected. You know, we don't see at the moment a strong reaction to any support here. Well, there is another support level, and I would say that is here that, first of all, we've got the previous high. You can see that back here from the 20th of August. That is pretty much sitting at $78, so I would expect some support then. And also here at $70 is the low of that. You know, you had this area here, the swing high and the swing low. That is where I would expect some sort of support, but it would not necessarily give us enough support to move out of the channel. I think we need to reach that fib level, the 0.786. And as I said before, it's not, it is also a possibility that we even drop to the 0.887 fib level, as so many other cryptos have done. For example, VeChain is currently on its way to the 0.887. That would be the equivalent on the Solana chart for that would be $30. I just want to mention it. I don't think we're going to get there, but it would be the next support if we lose $56. And I think it's important to be aware of the possibility. And I think from the drop from here around $250 to where we are now, people now realize what is possible in crypto. But to be fair, a lot of people panicking. I think we've seen it so many times. These dips in the crypto market, they happen. They just happen because, on the other hand, the price increases. They are going up a lot as well. And then the price decreases, or the corrections have to be very strong as well. It's just the nature of cycles. If you zoom out and take a look at the Amazon chart, very much in the beginning, you will see something similar. That is nothing that is specifically related to crypto. It's specifically related to every asset which is new, every asset with a low market cap. And even though Solana has a fairly high market cap compared to many of the 1,000 other cryptos that are out there, it still has a fairly low market cap compared to other assets. Yeah, gold, silver, Bitcoin. Even Bitcoin is correcting a lot, but you know, just compared to some stocks and shares with a high market cap, that is why we see in the crypto market these high ups and downs, and that will reduce over time. That is why it is currently a huge opportunity to make a lot of money with crypto generally. You know, and this is no financial advice, but the volatility makes money. You know, buying the dips like this one, and again, we've got buy orders set down here in this area. or I have, and you can follow me on Discord if you're interested, with a channel membership. But I like to buy the dips, really try to catch the swing lows here. Not every minor dip, that is just way too much work to get that all done and really follow too many cryptos for that. But major lows, yeah, and these are the opportunities where then I would expect higher prices to get out from. I see Solana to reach here maybe even $650 or $677, that a 2.618 Fibonacci extension in the next major wave up. And the opportunities are just, for me personally, too big to be missed. I think, and again, it happens with every asset which is new and where the market cap isn't high. Just take a look at some of the tech stocks from 20 years ago or 30 or 25 years ago. And well, probably a bit too long, 20 years ago, 21, 22 years ago. And you see the same in the charts. I did show previously an Amazon chart, I think, from very much in the beginning. You can see these kinds of volatility as well. But the problem and the thing with Amazon, I think the first major wave that we saw with Amazon, and this also I would call the first major wave for Solana. After that, you saw a strong move up, yeah, and new all-time highs, and it just couldn't be stopped anymore. That is why I think this opportunity is here, and everybody has to decide for themselves if it's a good time to buy or not. I can't tell you that. I can only tell you I'm buying. I started the dollar cost average into Solana already here at around $130, a bit higher. Obviously, was very careful throughout December as we were in the downturn here, and I'm just keep buying. Dollar cost averaging in also as we go lower, and I think we could see the 55 or 56 US dollars. All right, hopefully you liked the update about Solana. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. And if you really like the content, maybe consider to join as a channel member. And you can find a link in the description. Takes you to my website. There you can join as a channel member. Then you're gonna get access to the live stream and Discord and Telegram with lots of additional content. And you join a great community. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.